welcome to Authentic Tech. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, on today's video we will be looking at how to fix an Android device which keeps restarting. The Android phone we have here is Tecno KC3, which is Tecno Camon 12A. So we will be looking at how to stop this device from continuous restarting. Before we jump into the video, I will give you some few steps that you have to follow if your Android device keeps restarting or rebooting. Firstly, you have to consider removing the back cover of your phone. Maybe the back cover of the phone might be pressing the power button, which will cause the device to continuously reboot. Also, you have to check for updates. Make sure your device is up to date, because when your device is not up to date, it can disturb the continuous functioning of the phone. Still, you have to check if your device is having enough space. You have to go to settings and you access the storage. You check if your phone is having enough storage, which will permit the phone to run continuously. Also, you have to check your Play Store and check if there is any app which needs updates. And lastly, you have to factory reset your phone. So guys, those are the necessary steps that you have to take if your Android device keep rebooting. So guys, if you use the above steps I just gave to you and your Android device keeps rebooting, then you will have to consider changing the power button of your phone. So in today's video we will be looking at how to change the power button of Tecno KC3, which is Camon 12A. Without any further hesitation, let us jump into the video. Begin by unscrewing the board so we can have access to the button, because with Tecno KC7 the button is beneath the board, so you have to unscrew the board and you remove the board so you can get access to the button and you can replace it with the new one. We are done removing the screw, so now we are about to lift the board up so we can get access to the power button. So here is the board we just removed, and now we are about to remove the power button. So you have to use a picker so it heals you when removing the power button. So we have finally removed the power button, and now here is the new one we are about to replace. As you can see guys, we are replacing the new button, so you have to do that easily so the button get attached to the chassis of the phone. So guys, we have just removed the old button and we have replaced the new one. So we are about scrolling back the board. When scrolling back the board, make sure you replace all the knobs correctly and make no mistake in doing that, because if you make a mistake in doing that, maybe the phone can find some difficulties coming on. So we are done scrolling the phone, and now we are about to power it on and make sure everything goes on correctly. As you can see guys, the phone is now on, no more restarting, everything is good to go and everything works now perfectly. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video interesting, kindly hit the like button so many people can benefit from this video. It is Authentic right here, and see you guys on my next video.